Good morning, folks. As you can see, it's another windy and it seems to be a rainy day in southwest Trinidad. Now, the Met Office has officially declared the wet season open. Usually it starts from the month of June. Well, actually June is right around the corner. But just giving you all an update on the backyard garden, man. So I always encourage folks. Hey Caleb, what's up? Getting a mango? Yeah, I always encourage folks, utilize your backyard space, grow a backyard garden, right? You can't go wrong. Just the feeling of getting involved in a backyard garden, whether it be pulling out weeds or harvesting your produce, or even just being among the plants is so much of a therapy, good therapy. Nice fry lime here, but let me harvest some one time. Oh yes, look at that, folks. Now what we do, right, when lime comes out of season, we still have lime juice, you know. We actually squeeze them in the ice tray and make like a block, and we put them in those what you call the bags, Caleb? What you put them in? The Ziploc bag.
Oh, so this is the block of lime juice here.
Why Caleb taking a rock in his swing there? Right under the mango tree. Yeah, folks, so mango started coming season, but them birds and them, oh gosh, but them birds giving me a hard time. But look at this. Them birds and them definitely giving me a hard time with them mangoes and them. I mean, they have to feed as well, eh? They have to feed. Correct. Let's lean back the shield. Let me see something. Nice. Look at the pretties. Getting some nice pimentos here, folks. Look at that. All organic here, folks. We don't use no chemical landing in these plants. Okay, left shadow benny. Now we are going on. We had rain recently, a lot of rain, and believe it or not, you can see the greenery in these plants, folks. Look at that. Look at that. This is where Caleb planted the shadow benny. And these let's take up one of the bottom. Just take up this one and just show them. So instead of discarding these
when you buy it, just cut off the top.
Yeah, instead of discarding these water bottles, you could actually use them and reuse it. And you could actually plant. Look, man, shadow benny right there. And how you feel when you harvest it?
Very good.
Yeah, it gives you that nice feeling there when you harvest, for sure. Right. So the mangoes and them started coming to season, you know. This is Julie mango here, folks. It's not a ripe one right now, but I could say for sure that the rain has definitely brought about some life to these plants and them. Definitely brought about some life to these plants here. Recently somebody gave me this is a poi baji plant here, but it's kind of struggling, but I think it will kind of rebound. I feel I probably need to put some manure around it or something to kind of bring it back up. Soursop tree here. You have a couple soursop now and starting to come out. Look at that. Nice soursop. You have a little white kind of, I don't know what it is, a disease. Alright, this is Pudina time. Yeah. Pudina time and blossom as well. Look at that. And this is another pimento I have here. Look at the size of those pimentos, folks. Really,
Yeah.
really
They
nice.
eating
Nice pimentos.
What is this?
We have a
This is
pineapple
like
right here. This pineapple. Nice pineapple there.
Daddy. What is this? What's that? A spider or something.
I don't know, is that kind of insect maybe? I don't know. Let me see. What you want it? I don't know what
Next
it
one on it.
Yes, no, we don't twist it before it fall off. Some kind of maybe insect, I don't know.
Look like a kind of spider.
It look like an insect.
Yeah.
You're seeing that wrong one?
Yeah.
Some cassava growing here as well. You know, they're kind of slowly coming up. Cassava. Caleb, let's take that dog feed and move it out of the rain for me now, please. Look at there, look at there. Let me see. Wow, it's kind of roundish. Yes, they come in different shape, you know. This one is kind of wrong. This one is a little bit wrong as well. Yeah. I have a nice bunch of chiquito next door right here. Sylphid. Guys seen it? Probably zoom in a little bit on it there. So it's kind of starting to rain, folks. Can I move on, dog food, please? It's kind of starting to rain. And it's like I gotta take some cover. Yeah, I gotta take some cover, folks. Woo. So it's raining, folks. Kill what happened there? Let me see. Nice fella, well, let me see. Let me see this skin. Kill a mango here. We having it for breakfast.
It looking green now, but ripe.
Yeah, it's ripe. It is ripe.
So.
Now let me know if Julie mango is one of your favorite mangoes, folks. But it is for me one of my favorite mangoes.
I like cutlass.
You like cutlass mango? Yeah. So I planted some hot pepper here. They're starting to come up. Start to see a couple of them right now. Yeah. I had some problem with some mites on the leaves and I had to actually get them a little spray. But you can see that they are really doing well. So one of the things I actually do sometimes, like maybe once every 3 weeks, I put some Epsom salt at the base down there. As you can see, the small granules there. They're doing well. I think you're all familiar with this one. This is shining bush. Has some medicinal value as well. Right, I have another tree right here. A couple. Hot pepper. This is hot pepper, folks. Hot pepper. So now sometimes we have herbs in our backyard here that we kind of take for granted. I don't know if some of you are looking at my videos probably saw this plant already, but it's good to know. So this plant shown here is called Gale of the Wind, Stonebreaker, Shutterstone, and Seed on the Leaf, as well as Quebra Pedra. It is a potential cure for kidney stones. This herb is alkaline and may help prevent gallstone and acidic kidney stones from forming. So folks, the rain really is doing these plants some justice. There are some nice plantain sucker. This is horse plantain. They get very bigger. Right? A small bunch coming up there.